Next example, let t from r raised to 4 to r cube be a linear transformation given by the formula t x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to this 4x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 minus 3x4 comma 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 minus 4x4 comma 6x1 minus 9x3 plus 9x4. So this is the three tuple. This is the three tuple and this is four tuple. That is, this is the element of r raised to 4 and this is the element of r cube. R raised to 4 is the domain and r cube is the codomain. So question is, which of the following vector are in kernel of T? And which of the following vector are in RT range of T? So when the vector belongs to kernel of T, we know that if when x1, x2, x3, x4 is in kernel of T, if T of u is equal to 0 bar, that is its image is 0 bar, then we say it is in the kernel of T. And so what is the T of u, that is T of x1, x2, x3, x4 is this, that is this is the given in the problem, is equal to 0. So compare this each equal to 0, we have this is the system, and if this system is satisfied for x1, x2, x3, x4, then we say the vector belongs to kernel of T. So here 3 minus 8240 satisfies the above equations. That is, when we substitute x1, x2, x3 as 3 minus 820, we have the all these three equations are satisfied, and therefore 3 minus 820 belongs to kernel of T. But this does not satisfy this equation, and so this two vector does not belongs to kernel of T. So this is the first method. That is, we take the general element x1, x2, x3 of t raised to 4 and compare it is equal to 0 bar, that is 0, 0, 0. We have the system, and if these values, if we take these 3 minus 820 as values of x1, x2, x3, x4, and if these equations are satisfied by these vector, these values of x1, x2, x3, x4, then it belongs to kernel of T. And if does not, these two does not satisfy these equations and therefore not in kernel of T. This is first method, or we can just remember that what is the definition of kernel of T? The kernel of T is subset of R raised to 4, that is domain, such that the elements from R raised to 4 whose images are 0, T of that u is equal to 0. U belongs to R raised to 4 such that Tu is equal to 0. This is the definition of kernel of T. That is, the when the element belongs to kernel of T, if image of that element under T is 0. So when for 3 minus 820, for this element 3 minus 820, consider T of 3 minus 820, that is substitute x1 as 3, x2 as minus 8, x3 as 2 and x4 as 0. So what do we have the answer? If we substitute 3 minus 820 as the values of x1, x2, x3, x4 in RHS also. So we have the answer 0, 0, 0. Don't write it is equal to 0, 0, 0, 4 tuple. This is 3 tuple actually. Right? Answer is what? This is equal to 0. And this is equal to 0. And this is equal to 0. If we substitute the value of x1, x2, x3 as 3 minus 820. And therefore, T of this element, T of 3 minus 820 is 0 bar, that is its image is 0, and therefore 3 minus 820 belongs to kernel of T. What is T of 0, 0, 0, 1? That is substitute x1 as 0, x2 as 0, x3 as 0, and x4 as 1. So what do we have? The answer is minus 3, minus 4, and 9. That is, this is not equal to 0, 0, 0. This is not equal to 0, 0, 0. T of this element, T of 0, 0, 1 is not equal to 0, 0, 0. That is 0 bar. And therefore, T 0, 0, 0, 1, this vector does not belongs to, does not, right here. It is mistake. That right does not belongs to kernel of T. This is does not, right? Is does not belongs to, right? The cross sign here. The 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 does not belongs to kernel of T. Similarly, if you find T of 0, minus 4, 1, 0, then again it is by using this formula, we find T of 0, minus 4, 1, 0. That is substitute x1 as 0, x2 as minus 4, x3 as 1, and x4 as 0 in this. We have again answer not equal to 0, 0, 0, and therefore 0, -4, 1, 0 does not belongs to kernel of T, not element of kernel of T. So this is, I think, this is very simple method. How we can find the element belongs to kernel of T? Find its image under the given function formula T, and then it is equal to 0. Then element belongs to kernel of T, and if it is not belongs to, if its image is not equal to 0, then it is does not belongs to kernel of T. The second problem is where to find the which of the vectors belongs to kernel of T. So when this element 006 belongs to kernel range of T, if it has some pre-image, so we say that W is equal to ABC belongs to R3, that is element of codomain, belongs to this element belongs to RT if there exists some vector U such that x1, y1, x1, x2, x3, x4 belongs to R4 such that T of E is equal to ABC. That is, this ABC is the image of some element in R4. Then we say that this ABC belongs to R3. So what is T of U bar? T of U x1, x2, x3, x4 is this. T of x1, x2, x3 is this. Right? So right, this is the value from definition is equal to ABC. And then we have the system by comparing LHS and RHS. We have this system. And if this system is consistent for ABC, then that ABC belongs to a range of T. And if the system is not consistent, and for which values of ABC this system is not consistent, that ABC, that three tuples does not belongs to range of T, RT. So when the system, we will check whether this system is consistent or inconsistent. So if we form the augmented matrix, this is the augmented matrix, convert this matrix to echelon form. So we have to reduce this element to 1. So interchange the first and second row, and then divide by, multiply by 1/2 to R1. So we have 1. And then we have to reduce this two element to 0, 4 and 6. So the application operation is R2 minus 4R1 and R3 minus 6R1. So after this calculation, we have this matrix. We have 0, 0 at this place by using these transformations. Then we have to reduce this -1 to +1. So -1 R2 is the operation. We have this matrix. Then we have to reduce this -3 to 0. So R3 plus 3 R2 is the application or transformation. We have this matrix. Then we have to reduce this 6 to 1. So 1 by 6 R3, we have this matrix. And this system, in the if you observe this echelon form, so the first 4 columns are the echelon form of the matrix A. And so how many non-zero rows in the echelon form of the A? 4 non-zero rows, 3 non-zero rows, first, second, and third. So and by deleting last column, the remaining is the echelon form of the matrix A. And so rank of A is 3. Rank of AB is also 3 for all values of ABC. That is, either this quantity, this is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. The rank of AB is equal to 3. And therefore, system is consistent for all ABC. This system is consistent for all ABC. That is, every element of R3 has pre-image. Therefore, each element ABC in R3 has pre-image. And so every vector from R3, that is codomain, so every vector from this codomain R3 has pre-image. Has pre-image means every vector of R3 belongs to RT, because every vector, each element from R3 has pre-image. So every vector from R3 codomain belongs to RT, and therefore RT is itself R3. And so these vectors, all these vectors 006, 130, 241, all these elements belongs to RT, because every vector from R3 has pre-image, and so these all these 3 vectors belongs to RT. So this is the problems of the same type, that is, which of the following vector belongs to kernel of T, belongs to range of T. Solve all these problems. So the answer of the first problem, 14 number, this problem 14 and 1, T of xy is this 2x minus y, comma minus 8x plus 4y, and which of the following vector belongs to RT. So find T of 1 minus 4, that is substitute x as 1, y as minus 4. So T of 1, T of xy, 14 answer number, 14 answer of 1, T of which of the following vector belongs to RT. Then when this 1 minus 4 belongs to RT, if it has pre-image, that is, there exists some element AB in R2 such that T of AB is equal to 1 minus 4. Or if we take any element from R2, suppose AB belongs to R2, order pair AB belongs to R2, and suppose it has pre-image U bar. Suppose AB belongs to R2, codomain be any vector such that Txy is equal to AB, that is, this xy is the pre-image of AB. Suppose we assume that xy is the pre-image of AB. Then what is Txy? Txy is given 2x minus y minus 8x plus 4y is equal to AB. Compare, we have these two equations. We have to solve this system. So form the augmented matrix combination of A and B, 2 minus 1A and minus 8 4B. Then we have to reduce this 2 to 1. So 1 half R1 is the application. So we have 1 minus 1 by 2, A by 2. And we have to now reduce this minus 8 to 0. So R2 plus 8 R1, we have this matrix. And if you observe this first two column, by cancelling last column, the remaining is the echelon form of the matrix A. And what is the rank of A now? It is 1. Rank of A is 1. Rank of A is 1 right here. Rank of A is 1 because A contains how many non-zero rows? Only one non-zero row. So rank of A is 1. And rank of AB is what? 2. When it is 2, so this whole is the echelon form of the matrix A, AB. This whole matrix is the echelon form of the matrix, augmented matrix AB. And this is non-zero row, and this is also non-zero row, but when, if B plus 4A is not equal to 0, and if B plus 4A is equal to 0, then rank of AB is also 2, also 1. So here correction is rank of A is right 1, and rank of AB is what? Rank of AB is 2 if B plus 4A is not equal to 0, and the rank of AB is 1, right 1, if B plus 4A is equal to 0. That is, if this element is 0, then rank of AB is 1. And if this B plus 4A is not equal to 0, then rank of AB is 2. So write here 1, here write 2, and here write 1. And therefore rank of A and rank of AB both are same. When these two are same, if B plus 4A is equal to 0, that is rank of, in this case, if B plus 4A is 0, then rank of A is 1, and rank of AB is also 1. And in that is, the system is consistent if B plus 4A is equal to 0. So this system is consistent if B plus 4A is equal to 0. And therefore AB belongs to R square has pre-image. This arbitrary element of this codomain has pre-image if B plus 4A is equal to 0. That is, AB belongs to RT. This element of codomain AB is the element of range of T, RT, if B plus 4A is equal to 0. Because we know that any element of codomain belongs to range of T if it has the pre-image. And so AB belongs to RT if B plus 4A is equal to 0. And so consider the first element, that is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. So what is about 1 minus 4? As 1 minus 4 belongs to RT, because this satisfies this equation. That is, if we substitute B as 4 and A as minus 1, then we have minus 4 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 0. And therefore 1 minus 4 belongs to RT. 3 2 does not belongs to RT. This element 3 2, the second element 3 2, 14 number 3 2, it is not element of R2. Actually this take 5 0 5 0. What is about 5 0? Here is 3 2, by mistakenly taken 3 2. So 3 2 does not belongs to RT. Suppose 3 2 is the element. 3 2 does not belong to RT because 2 plus 2 plus 4 into 3, 4 into 3 is not equal to 0. So is not equal to 0. And so 3 2, here write 2, 3, 2 b plus 4 into a, that is 4 into 3, again is not equal to 0. So 3 2 does not belongs to, minus 312 does not belongs to R2, RT. What is the element? Minus 312, minus 312, yes, is this element. Uh, 50 also does not belongs to RT. Minus 312 belongs to RT. Why minus 312 belongs to RT? Because 12, that is B, plus 4 into A is minus 3, is 12, and minus 12 0. And so this minus 312 belongs to RT. So when the element belongs to RT, we will find this condition. So if it has pre-image. Similarly, the next example is, which of the following vectors are in kernel of T? So find T of 50, T of 50. So by using this formula, so T of 50 is by using this formula 2x minus y, that is 2 into 5 minus 10, y is 10, and a minus 8x plus 4y, substitute x and y as 5 and 10, we have this, and it is equal to 0, 0, 0. And so 5 10 belongs to kernel of T because its image is 0. T of 3 2, by using this formula, substitute x as 3 and y as 2, we have the answer 4 minus 16 is not equal to 0 0. And so 3 2 does not belongs to kernel of T. And T of 1 1, that is substitute x and y both are 1, and so we have answer 1 minus 4, its image of 1 1 is this, it is not equal to 0 0, and therefore 1 1 does not belongs to kernel of T. So when the element belongs to kernel of T, if its image is 0. So this is the answer of this 14. Similarly, solve this 15. That is, this is the function from T from R is to 4 to R cube. Definition is given. And which of the following vector in RT? So suppose we will find T of 0 0 6. That is 0 0 6 is the element of R cube. And so first find the condition. Find this condition, and then we will determine whether the element belongs to. So when 0 0, take ABC as the element of R3 ABC, and suppose x1 x2 x3 be x1 x2 x3 x4 be its pre-image, and then write T of x1 x2 x3 x4 as this, compare with LHS and RHS, that is form the system like this, that take ABC belongs to R3, suppose x1 x2 x3 belongs to R4, then T of U is ABC, then we have the system, then convert the system to augmented matrix, and then if the rank of A and rank of AB are equal for all ABC, then every element of R3 has pre-image. But I think this is not the case, that in this example find the condition like this, that is find rank of A like this, B plus 4A is equal to 0. So write the augmented matrix, reduce the matrix to echelon form, and then write the rank of A and rank of AB when these two are equal. So if I have such a system, then we know that the rank of A and rank of AB are equal. In this case, if B plus 4A is equal to 0. And that is the AB elements belongs to codomain has pre-image if this condition is satisfied. And from that condition, we will determine whether the element belongs to RT or does not belong to RT. So solve all these examples. This is the answer of the 15 number, answer of B, A1, 1, 2, 3. So all these elements are the elements of RT, but in this case, only the first element belongs to kernel of T. So how we can check whether these elements belongs to kernel of T? Find T of 3 minus A20, that is substitute x1, x2, x3 as x4 as 3 minus A20. And if we have the answer 0, 0, 0, that is then its element belongs to kernel of T. So solve all these problems, whether these elements belongs to kernel of T, whether this element belongs to range of T. So this is, I think, repetition. So this again solve this problem. So solve this problem P2 to P3, and which of the following vectors are in kernel of T. So find uh, t of x square. T of x square is what? X into px, that is x into x cube, that is x raised to 3. And so x square does not belongs to kernel of t because its image is not equal to 0. What is t of 0? Is x into 0 is 0. So 0 belongs to kernel of t, and 0 always belongs to kernel of t. T of 1 plus x is again not the element of kernel of t. Then which of the following vectors are in Rt? So again, this vector belongs to Rt if it has a pre-image. Suppose Px is its pre-image, then we have x into Px is x plus x square, and then find the system and solve the system. Take Px as a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and then solve the system. So solve all these exercise problems, whether the vector belongs to kernel of t, whether the vector belongs to range of t. So when the vector belongs to kernel of t, its image under that function is 0. And when the vector belongs to range of t, Rt, if it has pre-image, suppose we will apply the another method. So suppose this is the single element, and suppose this vector has the pre-image x1, x2, x3, x4. Then we have the system t of x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 6. T of x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to 0, 0, 6. That is x1, x2, x3, x4 is the pre-image of suppose 0, 0, 6. Then write t of x1, x2, x3, x4 as this, and then we have the system. This is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, and this 6x1 minus 9x3 plus 9x4 is equal to 6. So solve that system. So same answer. So this is about the range of t and kernel of t. So we'll see the remaining problem in the next lecture.